Want to start a side hustle with no inventory, no shipping, and no risk? Listen to this. Meet James. He was a regular guy who used Notion, the note-taking app, to stay organized. One day, he realized people love aesthetic, easy-to-use productivity tools, but most don't want to build them from scratch. So he built a few simple Notion templates, a personal budget tracker, a weekly content calendar, a habit tracker for 30 days. He listed them on Gumroad and Etsy for $5 to $15 each. No ads, no fancy setup, just value. He made $127 in his first week. By month 3, he was pulling in over $4,500 a month. The best part? It was 100% passive. He built once. People kept buying, over and over. Here's what you can learn. You don't need to go viral. You just need a product people need. Solve a problem you've already solved for yourself. Use platforms like Notion, Canva, or Excel to build simple digital tools. Then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, PayHip, or your own site. Digital products are the future. No shipping, no stress, just systems that sell while you sleep. And remember, start small, stay consistent, and turn your skills into income. Subscribe to The Inner Light for real money-making ideas. No fluff, just real hustle.